Hey, good people, welcome back my channel. My name is JM Kaundo, and this is Eastleigh, Bangkok area. And this area has been experiencing huge drainage problems. Even the road is pathetic. So as you can see, this is Bangkok area. And the last time I did a video from this area, they were doing the drainage system, and it seems like they are not yet to fix this issue. As you can see, there are some workers still working on it. I don't know why it keeps on being spoiled every now and then. I think Nairobi County, especially the environment guy, Musori, is it called Musori? Needs to visit Eastleigh. I saw him in a pipeline, and the issue of garbage that was being dumped on the street. I think they have solved that problem, but it's time that it comes to Eastleigh, because Eastleigh has been experiencing a huge mess when it comes to drainage, when it comes to garbage. There is no order. So like you can see, they are now trying to fix this, but you will come here after maybe a month or two and you still find the same problem. So that is a problem with Eastleigh. And you know, Bangkok is the main center of Eastleigh. So whenever you come to Eastleigh, that's where you get your directions from. But as you can see, the area is in a big mess, and the huge population that is in this place needs some infrastructure fixed, so that at least business people can be able to operate their businesses without this interference. Okay, so I want to be walking you around this place, First Avenue, and the back streets of Eastleigh, to show you how it looks like. Please watch the video to the end, subscribe to the channel, and drop me a comment. Tell me what you think about Eastleigh. This is the First Avenue, and as you can see, very busy. Eastleigh is always busy from morning to evening. There is no single minute that you will find Eastleigh not busy. It's always packed with the traders on the streets. Yeah, hawkers are everywhere, and the county Ascaris tries to discourage this, but I think it has become a big mess. Yeah, so the infrastructure, the plan for Eastleigh, I don't know whether they envisioned this huge population, because I think that is one contribution that it keeps on making the drainage system to block. Because this area that we are is really, especially if it rains, you will not like it. It's not possible to even walk around here. You can see how many vehicles are parked in the same street that has this drainage problem. Okay, so that is silly for you, and I think almost everywhere it's the same thing. I don't know, the MP for Isili, Yusuf Haji, should at least push the county government and the central government to at least help, because this problem cannot be fixed by the area MP alone, and even the MCA. They can't fix this problem. The Eastleigh problem is huge, and you know, Eastleigh has become like a capital of a fashion business, and most businesses are now transferring to Eastleigh, especially the transport business. If you are doing transport business, look at this huge problem. I don't know whether they are going to put tarmac or it's cabro, but I think they should have cabros here, because if they put tarmac, after a few months it's going to require to be removed. Yeah, so because I don't think they fixed the drainage issue, because whenever it rains you still find a lot of floods along this place. Okay, so we are going to the back street when we go this way, and then I'll be walking you and showing you how it looks like. The roads needs a huge investment, so that at least Eastleigh can look better. Look at this, very bad. Yeah, the traders in this area have done a huge investments. Real estate in the investments huge, but infrastructure wise they are being let down. So the Somali community are trying to change the face of Eastleigh. I don't know whether they are now supposed to team together and fix the roads, fix the drainage themselves, because the county government or the central government is not helping them. Yeah, I think they should do it and claim tax returns. The amount of tax they normally pay to the government, they should talk to the government to be given a tax waiver for at least 10 years, so that they use that money to improve infrastructure in Eastleigh. Because that way at least they can be able to fix the problem right now. But if they wait for the government to fix it, it's going to take centuries. Yeah, and Eastleigh is really growing. So I think that is my advice. The business community in Eastleigh team together, talk to the government to do the infrastructure development, then they claim tax returns or tax refund. There's a way you can be able to claim tax refunds for at least 10 years if you invest in infrastructure development. From my financial class back in high school, there is something that I saw like that. So I think they can apply the same and try to resolve this problem. Okay, so we're still walking around. You can see so many hookers, yeah, doing business, trying to fix their lives. Nairobi is really needs a major investment to help even the traders, because you can see they are even hawking on the streets. They are not even market shades to at least help the hawkers. Look at this, so much garbage that is dumped on the streets. So you can imagine even the hotels that are around this place. Here you can see one hotel there, restaurant. The smell that is coming from those kind of garbage is kind of discouraging the customers that visit these or restaurants. So you find that they are probably not getting the maximum number of customers they're supposed to get.